Hey guys, welcome to our weekly eToro portfolio report. We're here sitting on the economic calendar on eToro. And so let's take a quick look at what's happened in the past week. Last week we had the CPI data come out from the US. As you can see there, came out as what was expected, which was a positive movement for the market. Also got interest rate results from the European Central Bank, or ECB, and everyone seems to be keeping things fairly steady around the world at the moment. We're expecting some more rate cuts next year as we get into the year, March, April, May, that kind of period. I know here in Australia we're expecting around the April-May period. In the week ahead, we're going to get CPI data from ECB, from the UK Central Bank. We're going to see what the US is doing with interest rates. And so some big news ahead in the coming week. This coming week is also the last full week for the year. Last full week for the year in the stock market. After that, they've got public holidays with Christmas and then New Year's. Let's jump into our portfolio. This week we saw a decline of 0.52% in our portfolio. We started the month off at 1.71% positive. You can see there we're now sitting at 1.19% gain. Overall though, the year has been good and still travelling well as we go through. Our risk score is sitting at a score of 4, which we usually keep between a 3 and a 5. We currently have 13 copiers with between 50 and 100,000 US dollars copying our portfolio. Thank you to all those who copy our investments. There's some more statistics here as we move through. We're sitting at 63.64% positive weeks in our portfolio. Let's take a look at currently what we're invested in. Invested in VTI, Vanguard's Total US ETF, VUG, Vanguard's Growth ETF, and VOO, which is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. That is where we put our kids' college fund. So you see we've got everything really stable at the moment. We just deposited some more funds this past week and invested it. And so we're invested, everything's fairly stable at the moment in a very foundational ETF structure, which we do vary sometimes, and we will expand, but we always have this foundation of strong ETFs that we can pull back to anytime we need. Thanks for watching. Follow along, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to get started investing, comment in the section below, and comment back if you have any questions. Let me know. I'd love to do a video, but we'll see you in the next video.